What's the time? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's time to get up and go to school. But I don't want to get up.
Oh, Bill, are you still in bed? Look at the time. It's time to get up. You must go to school. Get up.
I am not sleepy, but I don't want to go to school today.
Oh, Bill, you can't sleep all day. What a lazy boy you are.
Good morning, Mum.
Good morning, Bill. You're very late this morning. Are you ready? We'll do our morning exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, Bill!
Well, I am going to the bathroom. I am cleaning my teeth. Washing my face and hands and my neck. I am washing behind my ears too. But still I don't want to go to school today.
Why aren't you eating your breakfast, Bill? What's the matter with you? Are you not well?
I can't eat, Mum.
Are you ill?
I think I am not well today.
Are you really? Then you must have a doctor and you must take some medicine.
No, doctor, please. I am well now. I am going to school. Cleaning my teeth. I clean my teeth every day. I am washing my face and hands. I wash my face and hands every morning. I am washing my neck. I wash my neck every... No, I don't wash my neck every morning.